Yeah.
Today I'll be showing you how to make an ergonomic keyboard on a budget. So first you remove your back plate. Then you just go... That might have been a little bit too hard, but I still think it's going to make a pretty good ergonomic keyboard. Then I will plug this in here. And let's see, you're gonna open up some notepad here. Let's see, accessories, notepad, and let's see, test. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, it's doing shit to my computer. Is Skype open still?
Yeah.
This fucking ergonomic keyboard sucks. Fucking ergonomic keyboard. Hey, don't you fucking, For when an ergonomical keyboard ain't ergonomical enough, you gotta fucking sandwich that shit, and then you can type like a real boss. No desk, no problem, behind your back, on the fucking ground. Oh, keys went everywhere.